Hi everyone, in this video we are going to solve exercise 11.2 question number 5. In this question they are asking us, draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeters, taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters, and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeters, construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. So first we'll draw a line segment of length 8 centimeters. First we will draw the line segment of length 8 centimeters. Line segment of length 8 centimeters. We will name this line segment as A and B. This point I am taking it as A. This point we are taking it as A, and let this point be B. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. We have to draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Radius 4 centimeters. We have to construct a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Taking A as center and radius 4 centimeters, constructed the circle. In the same manner, taking B as center and the radius 3 centimeters, we have to construct a circle. Constructed circle B. At the center B, another circle will be drawn 3 centimeters. We have to construct tangents from point B to this circle, bigger one, and point A to the smaller circle. Procedure is the same one. So first what we are going to do, we are going to draw a perpendicular bisector of AB first. For that purpose, what we are going to do, we are taking more than half of the length of AB, and we are going to construct more than half of AB. I am going to draw the arcs. Using the same radius. From point B also we are going to construct it. These two arcs intersect at a particular points. Two arcs intersected at two particular points. So here I am going to join those 2 points there. Yeah, 2 points I joined. Now I am going to name this intersecting point as O, this point as O, name this point as O, taking OA as radius, taking OA as radius, I am constructing a circle . I am constructing a circle. Yeah. This circle intersects the bigger circle at two different points. Name those 2 points here. Name those 2 points as. Here name this point as C, and name this point as D, and here name this point as P, and name this point as Q. Now these 2 points I am joining. Yeah, here C and B I joined, B and D I joined. So these BC and BD are tangents. BC and BD are tangents to the bigger circle, tangents to the bigger circle from the point B to the bigger circle from the external point B. Now in the same manner, if I am joining A and P, if I am joining A and P and A and Q, these two also act as the tangents to the circle, smaller circle from the external point A. So here AP and AQ are also tangents from A to the smaller circle B, are also tangents from A to smaller circle. Therefore, AP and AQ, BC and BD are the required tangents. Clear? Thank you.